It's official, the powerful, stylish and agile hot hatch US drivers are looking for is on its way, the first ever 2023 GR Corolla. With the detail-obsessed Toyota GAZOO Racing team at the helm, and master driver Akio Toyoda, a.k.a. Morizo, signing off on approval, this all-new addition to Toyota's growing lineup of sports cars brings the performance, handling and functionality that hot hatch fans love. Powered by the lightweight, compact yet powerful G16E GTS turbocharged, direct/port injected 3-cylinder engine, GR Corolla delivers 300 horsepower and 273 pound-ft of torque. Engineered for snappy acceleration out of the corners, output hits peak torque at 3,000 to 5,500 RPM, with max horsepower coming at 6,500 RPM. Its thrill-inducing power is piped through a unique triple exhaust that's designed to reduce back pressure for maximum power delivery. The G16E engine is paired with Toyota's rally-developed GR4 all-wheel drive, AWD drivetrain. This system gives drivers a choice of 60 to 40, 50 to 50 or 30 to 70 power distribution to the front and rear wheels. GR Corolla will be offered exclusively in a manual transmission, staying true to its hands-on rally racing roots. Its broad hatch profile and low center of gravity are built on Toyota's GAC platform with enhanced frame reinforcements developed specifically for GR Corolla at GR Factory at Toyota Motomachi plant. Functional exterior air vents and aerodynamic features further support steering stability. GR Corolla will come in two grades, Core and Circuit Edition. The Core grade will be available later this year in white, black and supersonic red. It will have a color-keyed roof with a black rear lip spoiler, GR4 stamped side rockers and wide fender flares. On the inside, seating for 5 will come with GR logoed fabric sport seats.